my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Creations, and I hope you are all doing well. Today's video is going to be again beach scene art. Here I have my board prepared for work. And first things, as I usually do, and I find it more for me, is that I place my beach sand and then I let it cure. Here I have some leftover sand, which was leftovers from previous beach make. So I just recycle everything that I have and try not to waste anything. So here I have my resin premixed and I am adding lots of sand, and I'm going for this kind of consistency that it's still runny, but if I pour it down it will stay in place. And now I am just putting on my board and spreading into the place. And now I'm just kind of blending in the sand with the board to mimic the waterline that the beach and the sea starts. And also I decided to experiment and add some islands or something, rocks underwater. And before I leave it, I like to spread it with dry sand just to kind of give maybe a bit more drier look at the end. And then that's it. I just leave it to cure until the next day. And this is day 2 and my resin is cured. I'm now just removing the excess sand. And before I start to work with resin, I'll make a border from masking tape. And of course, before start to pour resin, I make sure my board is leveled so the resin doesn't go one way. And now I am mixing my resin. I usually do 3 colors, so darker blue, lighter blue and green. And yeah. And after that's done, I leave it to cure until the next day. So day number 3, and once again I'm mixing my resin, and this time I'm using 4 cups because one is gonna be for my white and the white is for the waves. This time I mix in some tints that you don't need to add a lot. Here they are. Few drops are okay, and the resin is still translucent. And for my white, I like to use Just For You Online UK white paste pigment. So you can see that I'm adding 3 drops for each color, and it gives enough color and translucency that I'm after. And after everything is mixed, it's time again to pour the resin. I'm trying to achieve decent looking waves with some cells in them. And after, once again, I finish, I leave it to cure until the next day. So this is the day 4, and again the same process, the same 4 little pots with the same colors, and just carry on building the sea. So my layer is nearly done, and this is about couple hours later. I am removing the masking tapes in hopes that the resin hasn't cured enough, so the edges would kind of drip down and make a round edge around the piece. Also, I'm encouraging the resin to drip it down by hot air, but unfortunately I left the resin too long and it's cured a bit more than I wanted. So that's why I decide just to apply a clear layer and to make the edges round. I did sand a bit the edges, and I did sand the top part so the resin has something to grip on, and I'm applying just a simple clear coat. So the day 7 and the last layer, I wanted to make an extra wave that's kind of gonna stick out from the rest of a piece. Never done one before, so I'm nervous and excited at the same time. I poured my transparent resin, and now I'm putting the white one. And after, gonna blow it out and see what happens. And that's basically it. Last finishing touches with a little bit of straw, and I leave it to cure. And after, I also added a little bit green grass and kind of bushes on the sand. And here it is, the ready result. And I'm very happy how it came out. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I say goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!